Hello and welcome to Blue Neptoon Designs. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add gold leaf. You're going to need an adhesive and some painter's tape and then the gold leaf, but we'll get into that later because it dries a little bit. What I'm doing is I'm doing 2 stripes. So I have 2 stripes to do, so I'm just going to start with the first one, then I'll transition the tape over to do the second one. So I want to do all the way around the edges here as well. I think that'll look cool. Now what I'm going to do is grab my adhesive and then I'm just going to actually paint this on. I'm just going to dip a little bit on the edge there, just paint it on. You don't need that much, but just make sure that you get everywhere evenly. Alright, so I think I got everything here. Now with gold leaf, you want to make sure that you wait about 20 to 30 minutes for the adhesive to dry so that the gold leaf can stick properly. So we'll fast forward to that. Okay, we're back. It's been about 20 minutes for the second one. I don't know if you can see, but I did add a second line here. So the first one's been about 30 minutes, second one's been about 20 minutes. You can get gold flakes or you can get gold sheet. Depends on what texture you like. The gold sheet are great for, I think, for bigger projects, but I like gold flakes just that much more because they can give off a variety of different texture and just the way that it looks because they just come in different sizes. So for this project I'm going to use gold flake. So I got a couple brushes here. One is for scraping and the other one I'm going to use to apply the gold flakes. So another thing to note when you're applying the adhesive, you want to wait the time that your instruction says on the bottle because there was a couple times before that I got too excited and I decided to add it earlier on, and this way the gold leaf can't stick as good, I found, and then there's blotches, so I'd make sure to wait the designated time. So I'm just going to scoop this off with my brush onto here, and then you're just going to brush it on your adhesive. Now this stuff like sticks to everything, so just want to make sure that you get everywhere. Now in the past I have used my hands instead of a brush, and I'd recommend not doing that because it just sticks everywhere to your hands, and then I wouldn't recommend it. I'm just going to kind of press a little harder on the top here so it stays when I start scrubbing it off. So another thing I noticed when working with gold leaf is that you have to be careful of how you exhale on it. So if you do like a big sigh or something, it will blow really easily. Now I'm just going to take a little more aggressive, harder brush and just kind of get the sides again. Just not going too hard though so you don't scrape the paint on the background. So just kind of get rid of all the little stuff on top as well. And now we have a mess of gold leaf to clean up. I'd recommend the best way to do that is to grab some masking tape just around your fingers, and then you can just kind of pick it up. So I'll show you that. And then just rotate it once it's full till everywhere is clean, or you can just simply take a piece of tape. I don't have my wide stuff with me right now, but you just go over